guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to Nashik. For a change, I'm not driving my car. I'll be driving the all new Tata Punch, and obviously the reviews, I'll give you the reviews also. And I'm traveling with my parents, and so this time we are traveling from Bombay and not from Pune. So it is going to be a very long drive for around 3 hours from Mumbai to Nashik. So let's go. Look at the long stretch, guys. It was so much fun driving on this road. So the Tata Punch was super fun to drive. Even on the ghats, it was like super good, like too good. So after 3 hours of long journey, we were finally here at Sula. And I must say the first impression was like crazy. There were tall trees on both the sides. There were vineyards on both the sides. I must say that this pathway was approximately for 300 meters and a visual treat. And once this pathway is over, you're directed towards the parking where you can park your vehicle and move ahead. So finally after 3 hours we are here in Nashik. So we are visiting Sula first. So I must say the road जहाँ से हम लोग आए road बहुत सुंदर है. Like everybody should take that drive once, Mumbai to Nashik. So now let's head to Sula. This is right after you take the ticket and enter Sula. So that's my sister, that's dad, and that's my mom. So we all came to Sula for the first time, and now we are going exploring the place. So this is a pathway once you enter Sula. So they have this huge wine bottles over here, and they're very beautiful. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. So this is the garden area of those big bottles. So basically it is, these bottles are the different types of wines they make, and the names are already imprinted on them. मैंने कभी अपने लाइफ में सनफ्लावर नहीं देखा, and I'm so excited. यहाँ पे there's a whole farm of sunflower. See this? Again, back to the pathway. So this is a place where you can just click pictures, because the pictures come out to be really beautiful over here. Sula is so beautiful. There are so many things to take pictures of. If you see, this is a rickshaw, and behind there are wine bottles. It is very beautiful. Again, a beautiful spot to click pictures. So I must have clicked like 200 photos over here. So I would be uploading some of them on Instagram. So you can log on to your Instagram and check my page for the pictures taken at Sula. My personal favorite place for the photos. So you can try clicking photos over here as well. This is right outside the wine tasting center and they have a beautiful coffee shop. So आप लोग एक कॉफ़ी ब्रेक ले सकते हो आपके ट्रिप के बीच में. Let's go wine tasting. So this is the gift shop which they have. So if you want to give something to anybody, you can always come down here. This is a bottle shop. So अगर आपको कुछ wines ले जाना है यहाँ से like खरीदना है, so this is a place for it. So यहाँ पे wall पे उनके अलग अलग wines के बारे में उन्होंने लिखा है and it's a beautiful store. So you can definitely buy wine from here. Before the wine tasting starts, they take you to this room where they show you everything about Sula, like how they started and how do they make the wine as well. So video session के बाद आप यहाँ आते हो. This is the factory where the wine is actually made and you have a guide on this tour with you and they explain you each and every process of how the wine is made. This is the actual tour where you get inside to the factory and you see the entire process of winemaking. So this is the barrel room. So at a particular stage, the wine is stored into this barrel. And they have also written down the dates onto the barrel so as to understand how old the wine is. And these barrels are stored in a very low temperature room so that the temperature is maintained for the wine. दिस इज़ द रासा टेस्टिंग सेलर. सो यहाँ पे आप लोगों को वाइन टेस्टिंग दिया जाता है. सो जिन्होंने भी वाइन टेस्टिंग के लिए ऑप्ट किया है उन लोग यहाँ पे आके वाइन टेस्टिंग कर सकते हैं. So you get to taste around 6 wines over here. So they've kept glasses for you in front of you and they will themselves pour the wine for you and they explain everything about the wine. So how does it taste? How do you hold the glass? And you know the process of drinking wine. That is what they teach you over here. so we were not supposed to take videos, पर मैंने थोड़े से videos लिए तो मैं डालूँगी यहाँ पे. So they took us to a tour. First they showed us a video जहाँ पे उन्होंने दिखाया कि you know what all is there in Sula, how Sula started and everything. And then later on they took us to all the barrel rooms, the machinery and everything. It's a wonderful experience, like you know एक बार तो आना चाहिए Sula. अच्छा जगह, अच्छा experience. And yes, you get some beautiful wine here, you know, lovely tasty wines. तो मैंने तो 4 bottle ली है. And for the wine tasting, they charge you around $600, and they give you around 6 wines to taste, and then you can come and buy those wines if you like them. This is the restaurant which they have. It's really amazing, very lively, and the view is also amazing. You get burgers, pizzas and such things, and it's really, I've ordered for something. Let's see how it tastes. Barbecue chicken and spring onion which I've ordered. It's amazing. Like after all the wine tasting and everything, you should have a pizza. And this is the iced tea which I've taken. Thank you. Look at the muscat, how cutely he's sitting. Hi baby. He's so cute, no? So that ends my trip at Sula, and it was a great experience. I think Mumbai, Pune, ये सब जगह से तो यहाँ आ ही सकते हैं, तो एक बार तो आना चाहिए, काफ़ी अच्छा है. And definitely wine lovers के लिए बहुत अच्छा experience होगा. So you should experience this once. So this is not the end of my trip. I will be traveling to some other place. I've not figured out कहाँ जाना है. अब मैं कार में बैठ के सोचूंगी कि जाना कहाँ है, क्योंकि अभी तो सिर्फ 1:30 बजे, तो मेरे पास ऑलमोस्ट आधा दिन बचे, तो मैं और कहीं भी जाऊंगी अभी. So that was about my Sula trip, guys. Stay tuned because I'll be taking you to more places in Nashik. So if you really like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.